Look at the mess you made. Somehow you have blueberry cereal in your hair. Katie, look at mommy. Katie. What did you do? Katie. Katie. Let me see that little face. Hi. What's going on? Are you okay? Scared me. You scared me. Yeah, you scared mommy. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. Yeah, look at the mess you made. You fed yourself today. Good job. Okay, it's time for the bath. Say see you later.